In this video, I wanted to show how my project handles a real-world test. The project I've been working on is over here. It's called Keychain Backup. It's a way for me to back up files onto this thumb drive that's attached with my keys. I gotta take it everywhere with me. It's kind of like a offsite backup. The test we're gonna do is we're gonna take this laptop here and infect it with ransomware and see if I'm able to recover files that I've backed up on here in order to defeat the ransomware. You can see here I've got some important items that I've got backed up. There's a nice family picture. And I've got a text document here with some super important text in it. Then I've been using Duplicati to make the backups onto this flash drive here. As you can see, I've had a successful backup yesterday. We have our ransomware executable. This one I think is called Lockbit. So let's run this and see what happens. Okay, so it's been run. Hopefully added a restore my files text document to explain how to restore my files. You can see now my family picture is now a Lockbit file, and my text document is also a Lockbit file. One thing that's really handy is it also changes my background to show that all my files have been encrypted by Lockbit. So kind of crazy. Let's try and restore them and see if we can get those files back. I'm going to check my documents folder. I'm going to restore them to the original location because they've been renamed for us. So it gave me a bunch of warnings. That's kind of weird. But you can see, there's my family picture back. So beautiful. And my super important text documents all back. So I call that success. Last thing to do. So let's reset my background because that's just an ugly picture. Beautiful. So that's success there. I was kind of worried what would happen if it didn't rename my files and I ran a backup. So I might have to do that in a future video as a future test to see if my backup can handle overwriting what's on there with encrypted files. So anyways, looks like a successful test, and thanks for watching.